Yo, yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, Today, man, we're gonna talk about the upcoming release, talking about these Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green. We're releasing on April 15th. Men's, grade school, toddler, and preschool sizes. I think this shoe will sell out. I don't think this shoe will sit. I think it will sit for about maybe a day, not even that. I think this shoe definitely will sell out. But I think a lot of people really want this shoe. These special Air Jordan kind of colorways, not too bad of a colorway, I should say. Because normally they throw out colorways like Skyline colorway. I know a lot of people are not going to go for their Air Jordan 1, but I know more people going to go towards this Air Jordan 1 more than the Skyline one. In case y'all know what the Skyline Jordan 1 is, here you go right here. It's more like a colorful. I don't like the material on this shoe, so that's going to be an easy pass. But these Lucky Green joints right here, I think a lot of people definitely going to gravitate to this shoe more than, like I said, to the Skyline. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. We're talking about how to cop, all that good stuff, man. So without further ado, man, let's get into the video. So let me give y'all my tips and tricks on how to cop this Air Jordan 1. Because like I said, I'm going to start getting back in the habit of doing how to cop videos early on so y'all can see, or if y'all got any questions, y'all can just go ahead and ask me in the comments down below, or show me a DM on, you know what I'm saying, TikTok, Twitter, whatever. All that's down in the description. But also, these Air Jordan 1s, like I said, Lucky Green, we're releasing on April 15th. So this shoe we're releasing on Foot Locker, Sneakers, Champs, all sites for sure. But it's early on to put the raffles in for like Foot Locker, Champs, and stuff like that. So normally they'll do it the week of. The process of the raffles until next Monday. Not even, they used to do it on Sundays, but they changed it up to Monday. So I don't know why they did that, but they just changed it to Monday. So be looking out for next Monday. You know what I'm saying? Head over to Foot Locker, Champs, Kids Foot Locker, and put your raffles in. I know JD Sports will do the little raffle as well. Like I'll say like Wednesday, maybe Wednesday around that time. Wednesday or Thursday. Normally Wednesday will be the status, access granted, all that good stuff. So if you don't know what the finish line process goes, so basically shoe come out Saturday. They normally will do is email, or you finish, if you got the finish line app or JD app, access granted, blah blah blah. You'll click that. So you need about 1,500 to 2,000 points to even claim your size. For finish line JD, you'll put in your settings. You'll set it to your settings, the actual location, Cincinnati. So I would do like somewhere close, like Cincinnati or the Dayton area. Do the Dayton area, it's not too far from me. So I do Dayton. I select my size and I do 2,000 points. Boom, that's right then and there. Then the next following day, that Thursday, they will do online. In case you miss out on the in-store to get your size, you just go ahead and still getting the shoe, but you have to wait till online days later. So, but you know what I'm saying, so be on the lookout. Normally I get both days, so in case I miss one, I get the other. But most of the time, a lot of people don't like waiting online. But how we moving now, a lot of people got patience. Before, a lot of people ain't have patience. Like me, I ain't have no patience. And plus, I do videos and YouTube and stuff like that, so I've been wanting to get the shoe right then and there. So I try to hurry up and get it by that Wednesday mark. If I don't get it by that Wednesday mark, I'm not gonna get too mad about it. I could be patient. Let me go wait till the next day, till Thursday. So, like I said, if you got any questions or concerns on how to do the finish line, Foot Locker, Champs, or anything like that, comment down below, man. Let me know. I always get this question as well, JR. How did you always win raffles? It's more of me just being consistent on the app and buying shoes or buying whatever, you know, most of the time. Cause like I said, I got my head start. So if when I got they do 6 head starts, by the way, they don't do 4, they do 6. So if I got 6 head starts, I'm always up here. I always pick up my pairs, like all the time. I always pick up my pairs, like no matter what. Just pick your pairs up. Cause say if you keep saying I don't want to deny it, and it's gonna be like, all right, buddy, watch out, move out the way. But like I said, the algorithm always changes. But this works best for me. I'm giving y'all what works best for me. So maybe I could take what I'm giving y'all and y'all little works, so y'all little tweak it up, whatever. But this works for me. Like I said, I have 6 head starts every time. I don't miss when it comes to head starts because I'm looking at it as in the line. So you always want to be first in line, right? When the first come, first serve, right? So I'm looking at 6 head starts. I'm like, oh, sure, I'm first one in line. Compared to, you know what I'm saying, the 4 head starts or 5, 3, 2, or not even no head starts. I'm always first. So that's how I'm looking at the head start situation. So if you want to look at it like that, that's easy. You want to get the number 1 in line. So make sure you have enough points and actually get that X3, not X1, X2, the X3, you know what I'm saying, level. Then you get the head starts, you're going to easy win every time. But sometimes you can win at maybe 1 or 2 head starts. You know what I'm saying? Just depends on how big the story is. Like I said, but normally when I do my 6 head starts and I'm at X3 level as well, I always win because I'm always like that first one in line. That's how I basically look at it. So what you take from this video right here, when I'm saying that part, and take it how you want to take it, and your creativity how you want to do it. But I don't mind teaching people how to do it. Like I said, it's not really too hard, but it's more to be consistent of buying things and going there and make sure you're getting your X3, make sure you're getting your points, make sure they get your flex, you know what I'm saying, number, all that good stuff. So make sure when y'all going to the Foot Lockers, Champs, or any of these stores, even Finish Line, make sure you're going to get your points so you can use those points to get early access, head starts, even the gift cards, status, cash, all that stuff, bro. Like, all this stuff matter. Even though people like complain they don't win raffles, how you complaining but you're not even going to the store and getting those points to use so you could get gift cards, early access, all that stuff. That stuff matters. So stop complaining and handle your business if you want the shoe. That's how I feel too. If you really want the shoe, you're gonna do whatever you gotta do to get the shoe. Especially if you want it for retail. Pretty sure you watching this video, you don't want to pay resale for the shoe. So I'm trying to help you any possible way to get the shoe for retail. Just 2 weeks in advance. So right now, if you want to watch, if you watch this video, make sure you go in there and get some socks, everybody needs some shoe cleaner. By the way, I clean shoes, by the way. Junkie Kicks cleaning, holla at me. I do cleaning, I do restore, do icy soles. I'll do all that good stuff, man. So make sure, link down below. If you need some shoe cleaning, come holla at me. Come on down. For real though, if y'all like shoe cleaner, you know, socks, some hats, some fitted hats, hoodies, like out, you can get multiple things in Foot Locker you could use that people that normally could use on a day-to-day basis. Now I'm saying so. But no, I ain't want to get too deep and too real with y'all. But I'm just keeping it on 100 with y'all. Y'all got, come on, man. Let's get to it. Size on the Retro Ones. I always tell people go a half size up in Retro Ones because the shoe is a narrow shoe. So I always tell people go a half size up. Don't get your shoe size in Air Jordan Ones. Trust me, it's a narrow shoe. My foot is very skinny, so I could fit my true size, which is 11 and a half. But if you got that wide foot, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and get that size up, man. Go ahead and get that half size up. So if you wear that 10, got a wide foot, go ahead and get that 10 and a half. Trust me, don't get your true size. Trust me, believe me. I always get people all the time like, bro, that's too tight. You got a half size up. Yeah, Air Jordan 1s run super narrow, man. So they let them say one more time. I'm gonna say this one more time so y'all can understand. Go a half size up in Retro Ones. Y'all heard me? Sure, make sure that y'all be on y'all Flex app. You know what I'm saying? Be around, like I said, Wednesday, Thursday-ish around for Finish Line JD. So make sure ready for that. And also Sneakers app. I haven't hit on Sneakers app in a long time. So if you hit on Sneakers, shout out to you because I don't be winning nothing. It could be some not even a hype shoe. I still don't win. It'd be crazy. It'd be beyond me at times. But it's all good, man. But that's it for this video, man. Make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always. So I'm gonna start uploading every day for the next to end of April. And just want to see how it's gonna work out, how it's gonna turn out. But make sure y'all like and subscribe if you're new. Like I said, I appreciate y'all showing love support as always. Make sure you follow me all platforms down below. My TikTok, my Twitter, my Instagram, all that's down below. I really appreciate it, man. Road to 2K, man. Road to 2K. I'm trying to think what should I do when I reach 2,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get a giveaway or, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I got a shoe cleaning business. So I might look out for my family members, you know what I'm saying? I'll pick 3 people to send me like 2 shoes for cleaning. I don't know. So I'm trying to think in my head what I'm gonna do when I get to 2,000 subscribers. So let's get to it, man. Road to that 2K, man. Like I said, I appreciate y'all. Much love. Catch y'all in another video. Actually, I'll catch y'all tomorrow, man. So make sure y'all tune in. Jordan 1 is out. Peace.